Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will be showing you how to create these chocolate tasbihs. The first thing you'll need are some Hershey's drops in both white chocolate and milk chocolate. You will also be needing a needle on the thicker side to puncture holes into your beads. Here I am just puncturing through all of my beads, 33 of them white chocolate and 6 of them milk chocolate. Next, using some white thread, I'm going ahead and stringing all of my beads. I am starting with a milk chocolate bead followed by 10 white chocolate beads, and I'll continue this pattern until I have strung all 33 beads. Once I've strung all my beads, I'm going to tie both ends together with some knots. For the next part of my tasbih, I'm going ahead and taking a smaller piece of string and stringing 3 milk chocolate beads together. I then used a candle to slightly melt my Hershey's Kiss, and I attached that to my 3 milk chocolate beads, which I refrigerated for a bit before attaching it to the rest of my tasbih. Once you have finished tying the 2 pieces together, your chocolate tasbih is done. This is super fun to do for an activity for Islamic holidays or just any Islamic occasion. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum.